welcome to the Fully Hooked channel, and this is my first ever tutorial-ish of a hack or something. Disclaimer, hindi ko po to inimbento. I did not invent this. This is a technique used by spinners, yarn spinners all around the world. So what they'll call this is a yarn gauge, guide or something. Pero I'll be talking to you about yarn substitution. So basically, naggawa po ako ng picture or diagram, tas ipiprint nyo po siya. Ganito. Make sure to print it in actual size, and to double check, pagtas nyo po i-print, kailangan yung pinakamakapal na square na yan is 1 inch by 1 inch. So, pagkatas nyo po i-print, gugupitin nyo siya. It doesn't matter kung straight yung this part, yung mga broken lines. It doesn't matter kung hindi siya perfectly straight. What matters is this part, yung makapal na square na yan. So, it will look like this after nyo siya i-print. And what happens next is we will use this to measure our yarn. So, basically, sabi dito sa chart na ginawa ko, ang lace weight na yarn is equal to greater than 35 wraps per inch. So, 35 na wraps pataas. So, what you'll do is, you'll wrap this for 35. I-check mo ngayon yung yarn mo if it wraps for 35 wraps per inch. So, you'll do this. Ayan. Make sure na siksik siya sa dulo. As in inch to inch. What you can do pala para tumagal yung print mo is i-laminate siya. Pero pag ika-cut mo na siya, I'm just using a 4-ply cotton dito. Hand-dyed by Buffy Yarn. So, pag ika-cut, pagkatas mong i-laminate, tas ika-cut mo siya, what you'll do is make sure nasagad siya dito sa may part no makapal na box, kasi you need the inch to be exact. And yun lang, irarap mo lang siya paulit-ulit hanggang sa makarating ka dun sa dulo. Okay, lapit na. I'm sorry if may marinig kayong background noise. I'm recording pretty early. So, I'm recording around 6 p.m. I usually record around 10. Kung kailan tulog na yung mga tao. So, yan. Puno na siya. Now, what you do is you count. So, 1, 2. So, wraps per inch. So, isang wrap yun ha. So, ibig sabihin, you'll start dito. Ibig sabihin, you'll start dito. You'll skip this one. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So, sabi dito sa chart ko, 19 wraps ito. So, 19 wraps is 4-ply fingering, which is correct. So, this guide is pretty cool. And one nifty trick on how you can use this para dun sa yarn substitution is, wait lang ha. Yan. So, yung sweater na ginagawa ko, I need DK weight. And this ball is an Alice cotton gold. Is it fine? Hindi. Cotton gold. Alice cotton gold. Tapos, when I swatched yung sa sweater na ininit ko, hindi nagmatch yung swatch ko. So, what I did was check the weight of the yarn. So, ang weight pala nitong Alice cotton gold is fingering weight din siya. So, I need to go to DK. So, what I did was double pull the Alice. Tapos, para ma-check mo yun, ganun lang din. Wait lang. I'll use 4-ply cotton as an example. Tapos, try natin pumunta sa sport weight. So, what you do is, I'll use 2 different colored yarns para makita nyo. Where is it? Yeah. So, what you do is you combine 2 yarns, also known as double pull. So, ito double pull mo siya. Tapos, kukunin mo yung guide mo and mamatch mo sa dulo. Tapos, ganun lang din. Wrap. Tapos, yan. Make sure mo na hindi sila nagpapatong-patong para yung thickness nakukuha mo pa din. Okay lang na naka-twist siya ng ganyan, basta hindi ka malilito kapag nagbilang ka na. Last one. Okay. So, start tayo dito sa kasunod. 1, 2, wait. Gamitan ko ng gagamitan ako ng scissor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, 12. Oh, okay. So, 12 stitches. So, instead of sport, naging DK. So, baka to get sport weight, kailangan mo ng 2 lace. Pero yun lang. Basically, you'll combine the yarns, tapos you'll count kung gaano kalaki, kung ilang wraps yung nakuha mo per inch. Tapos, doon mo malalaman kung ano yung weight nung 2 yun combined. So, you can use this sa fine cotton. Although, mahirap magbilang. Pero, kaya nyo na yun. Kanya-kanya. Diskarte na lang sa pagbibilang. Pero, this is basically the easiest way to check kung match yung yarn size, yung yarn weight mo dun sa pattern na ifo-follow mo if ever kabado ka or hindi ka sure, ganun. So, this diagram will be available for free as a printable. I-upload ko siya sa Google Drive both as a picture and as a PDF. Tapos kayo na lang bahala mag-print. I suggest i-print nyo siya sa parang ganito, craft board or folder type material para matigas. And at the same time, kung kaya nyo siyang ipalaminate, tas may make sure nyo na lang na, yun nga, 1 inch yung ito. Tapos, yun lang. So, I hope may nakuha kayong trick dito and good luck!